Welcome to our video on the difference between gaming chairs and office chairs. As more and more people are working from home and spending hours in front of their computers, it's important to understand the differences between these types of chairs and how they can impact your comfort and overall health. The first major difference between gaming chairs and office chairs is their design. Gaming chairs are specifically designed to provide support and comfort for long periods of sitting, with features like high backs, lumbar support, and adjustable armrests. They also tend to have a sporty, racing-inspired look, with bold colors and flashy designs. On the other hand, office chairs are designed with a more professional look in mind. They typically have a more traditional design, with a neutral color palette and a simple, understated look. They also tend to have a lower back, less support and less adjustment options. Another key difference between gaming chairs and office chairs is their adjustability. Gaming chairs are designed to be highly adjustable, with options for adjusting the height, tilt, and recline. This allows you to find the perfect seating position for your needs, and to adjust the chair as you move around throughout the day. Office chairs, on the other hand, tend to have fewer adjustment options, with less range of movement. Another important difference between gaming chairs and office chairs is their ergonomics. Gaming chairs are designed to provide proper support for your spine, neck, and head, helping to reduce the risk of pain and injury. They also tend to be more supportive and comfortable for extended periods of sitting. In contrast, office chairs may not have the same level of ergonomic support and may not be as comfortable for extended periods of sitting, resulting in potential pain and discomfort. In conclusion, while both gaming chairs and office chairs serve the purpose of providing a place to sit, there are clear differences between the two. Gaming chairs are designed for comfort and support, with more adjustability and ergonomic features, while office chairs have a more professional look and have less adjustability and ergonomic features. Ultimately, it is important to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing between a gaming chair and an office chair.